Here is a smoke alarm that is chirping, and you can see the red light is blinking. There's a lot of different variations of smoke alarms, but this will work for most models. You should have a part that slides open. Sometimes this will completely come off, sometimes it will not. And then you get your finger in there, and that one was actually pretty easy. Some of them, you'll actually have to take a piece out, some of the older style, and this clasps on there, and the small bit on the piece that's in there will go here, and the larger one will go around this. You can't actually clasp it to that part backwards. It just won't work. But if it's like this style, make sure when you remove it that you put the new one in just like that. So the bigger part right there is on the top of this one, and that is the negative. The positive is the smaller round one there. As you can see, it does still have power, and that is because this one is hardwired into the house. It's got a signal wire, and what that does is say there was some sort of smoke in here, that would signal all the other ones in the house to go off. So if there's nobody in this room and it's the middle of the night, then another room they would be able to hear it, even though these are quite loud. So when you replace it, make sure that it is oriented just like the other one was, and go ahead and get that in. And like I said, some of the other models, especially the older ones, will have a piece that comes out that you will have to pry apart. I thought this was one of those. It's not. This one just pops in and out. And then you can go ahead and close that. And then just wait a minute or two and make sure the chirping stops. And if it doesn't stop, then there is some sort of other issue with this, then I would consider replacing it. So I hope this helped somebody, and if it did, please consider subscribing. Have a safe, fire-free day. Bye.